Hi Ute Nation, Chef Peter here. We're going to do another barbecue, so we're going to get ready for another tailgate. And this time I thought I'd do something nice, simple and different. And something if you really want to, when they're cooked, you can just pick it up and start eating it. So I'm going to show you a few different ways of doing kebabs or shazliks. This is a spicy meatball, a little bit of fresh tarragon on it. Then we have top sirloin, one of my favourite pieces of meat, with some onions and bell peppers and mushrooms. And then we have for the meat lover just all meat. This is the top sirloin. Then we have some chicken, which I've marinated in a bit like chimichurri, which is olive oil and garlic and parsley. All right, so that's going to be really nice. And then for the people who don't like meat, we have some really nice vegetables. So you can prepare these the day before if you want to put some marinades on them, a little bit of olive oil, some roasted garlic, pepper, and just soak them. Then the next day, put them on the barbie. Boom. I've got some jalapeno chili sour cream I'm going to do with one of the kebabs. Got some fresh rosemary and fresh sage and parsley. So what we're going to do, we're going to put them on the grill. And they'll take about 15 minutes. You can do this in the barbecue outside. And then lay them out and let the people help themselves. And do as many different dips as you want. So let's take the pan over here. I also have a little trick I do. I like to roast the lemon. That brings out the flavour in the lemon and really takes it to the next level. This is great on vegetables, anything you eat. It's really, really good. So because the veggies are a bit different, I'll put a vegetable one here. We'll do another veggie. Then we're going to cook chicken up here. And then we'll get the final look at this. Lemons there. Okay, back on the grill again. Here we have, I'm just going to run through what we've got here. Got some spicy meatballs with some onions on the stick. 2 lots of that. Just for the meat lover, we have the top sirloin, all meat. Then we have some top sirloin with mushrooms, onions, and bell peppers. Really, really good. Then we have the chicken kebab. And then we have the vegetable kebab. Now they cook pretty quickly, so we should put them on at the last minute. So now you can just put a bit of oil, brush a bit of oil, or leave them like that. I've already seasoned them. Just keep turning them. Another good idea is to soak your wood chips in water or apple juice so they don't burn. Pop a little bit of the roasted lemon. Put it over the steak there. Beautiful. Yep, fantastic. It just gives it a different taste. Like what you have to stick with it. There we go. Here we go, that meat lover one. All the beautiful top sirloin, cooked to perfection, medium rare. How else would you want it? Put that on the side. Then the one with the vegetables, ready. Just fell off. And the meatballs, we got 1 minute. And then we have the chicken. That's about 1 minute away. And I'm going to put the meat over here to rest. We'll be ready for that. And then when we come back, we'll see the finished product. It's caramelising the thyme. And then put it over here with the chicken. With a nice smell. And we'll take the chicken. Look at that.